Roadside Vendors Welfare Association, Khwairamband Keithel amadi National Hawkers Federation anina punna khutsamnaduna Association asigi chahi kungamanga surakpagi Silver Jubilee gi thouram ngasi Gandhi Memorial Hall da pangthokhre. Thouram maduda National Hawkers Federation gi General Secretary Saktiman Ghosh, All India Women's Hawkers Federation gi General Secretary Anita Das, All Manipur United Clubs Organization Amuko gi President PH Nando Luwang, RSVWA gi President Khetri Tamadebi amadi Social Activist R Vision Jimik Kaluinana miyoi kyana saruk yaki. Thauram maduda Association asigi leikidraba thaupuramb miyoi singi mafamda leisu katuna ikai khumnaba utpaga luinana thauram asigi damak leibak asigi tongan ba mafam kayadagi lakpa miyoi singda khudol pot tamduna ikai khumnaba utki. Thauram ga mari leinana RSVWA gi President Khetri Tamadevina Leibak asida Street Vendors Act English Tinganigata Maridagi, Chatnaba Haurabasu, Lamda Masiki Lengakna, Miting Changdabana, Ngasi Fauba Lamda Masida Mapung Fana Chatna Hanbangamdri, Vending Committee Samduna, Taugadaba Service Tingitabak, Amata Lengakna, Ngasi Fauba Paikatri, Lengakna Kaitil Sarabasu, Ek Asi, Lamdam Asiga, Janaba Moongda Chatna Handriba Makai, Street Vendor Gi Isu, Loshinbangamloi Haina, Makna Makatana, Fongtoki. Mark na makata duna lamda masigi economy chawkhatnaba hotnabada street vendors singna chawraba thopang puri economy data natana lamda masigi luraba tangka kayada street vendors singna mangjil thaduna achoba thodang kloraki haina thamki masi pumna mak street vendors singna su khangna paikhatli ba simitlong asi public service amani haibasu kaubiganu haina mark na makata ki
known as women world. During that time, we have fight against British, and also we have fight against our human rights violation, territorial integrity, citizenship amendment bill. During that time also, our women's vendors, who are all left in the street to protest against the implementations of the Citizens Amendment Bill in the impulse heart of the city.